wait to start BALTO week. This year our recipient is DASCO, which stands for the Down Syndrome Association of Central Oklahoma.
Their mission is to raise awareness, provide resources, and promote acceptance among those with Down syndrome.
Now let's meet the kids.
Whatever happened to predictability? The milkman, the paper boy, evening TV. Everywhere you look, there's a heart, a hand to hold on to. Everywhere you look, there's a face of somebody who needs you. Everywhere you look, when you're lost out there and you're all alone, life is waiting to carry you home. Everywhere you look, everywhere you look.
Here's someone that has been greatly impacted by the services provided by DASCO. Let's hear their story.
Kirsten got diagnosed with Down syndrome as soon as she was born. 3 months later, she had open heart surgery, and it actually happened on Halloween. At that time, I was only 3 years old, so I really didn't know exactly what Down syndrome was, and I didn't know how it was going to affect me and my whole family. But my mom told me that all they wanted to do on that day when Kirsten had surgery was go to get Halloween candy, go to houses and knock on their doors and go trick-or-treat. But I didn't realize up until probably about age 8 or 9, which is when my little brother was born, that Down syndrome was an actual thing that did affect my family quite a bit. Because of that, we watch out for her more. I do know now that since I'm about getting ready to turn 18, that she's going to become in my care when my parents pass. So I've had to plan my future according to what hers could end up like. So that includes having a job that's going to pay well in order if she needs surgeries in the future, or especially having a job that I can spend time with her and take off so that when she needs me, I'm there for her. But with my job, I also want to, in the future, also be a volunteer here. My mom's the executive director. She left OU to pursue her passion in working with kids with Down syndrome, and since then, I enjoy coming up here and volunteering, babysitting little kids, getting to hold new babies. I love to help with tutoring because they're so sweet, and no matter who you meet, they're gonna make a life impact on you. They're going to change your life. It doesn't matter what kid you meet who has Down syndrome. The minute my sister was born, me and her were best friends, and we're not able to leave each other's side since then.
I've been a part of DASCO for the last 14 years. When my daughter Kirsten was born, I was partnered with a parent and just kind of dove right in and started my journey of learning more about individuals with Down syndrome and what life might look like for her. And then a few years ago, I decided to take a leap of faith, and I was hired on as the executive director. And so we are just busy doing all kinds of programs and activities for our kids to make them as independent as possible, and make everybody see them for the person that they are rather than the diagnosis that they are given.
The money we raise this year will go towards expanding their learning lab, starting a self-advocacy program, and creating a sensory room for the kids.
All of these things are crucial to the growth and development with those with Down syndrome and are necessary for the success of DASCO. This year, instead of the common thread, we will be implementing a program among the Edmond Public Schools called Dogs with a Cause.
This year, 5% of our totals will go to Memorial, and 5% of our totals will go to Santa Fe, and we will also receive 5% of each of their totals.
This will facilitate unity among the 3 high schools, as well as allow us to affect our community for the better together.
This year, Memorial's recipient is Keaton's Kindness Club, and Santa Fe's is the Dragonfly Home. Let's hear a little bit more about the recipients.
Hi everybody, My name is Connor Pollard, and I'm the Junior Vice President and Philanthropy Chair here at Edmond Santa Fe High School. Every year, Edmond Santa Fe hosts our annual Philanthropy Week called Double with Dairy. Before and during this week, we strive to raise upwards of $150,000 for a local nonprofit organization. This year, we selected the Dragonfly Home, and the mission of the Dragonfly Home is to provide the highest standard of care for human trafficking victims in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. We appreciate your contributions to our fight against human trafficking and wanted to say keep up the good work. Thank you.
Hi, my name's Abby and I'm one of the Swine Week chairs at Edmond Memorial.
I'm Emma and I'm the other Swine Week chair.
This year we're raising money for Keaton's Kindness Foundation, an organization dedicated to spreading kindness around the world with an emphasis on pediatric cancer.
With the money we raised through Swine Week, K Club will be renovating the Rankin White Gym and the Comfort Care Lounge at the Children's Hospital.
Go to dinner with them.
Serving our finest pastries.
House of London. Cheers.
Text them an encouraging message.
Hey, you're a great friend, and I really appreciate you. Hashtag BALTO's a verb.
Oh, I just got BALTO.
Get your nails done together.
Isha, we're not associating with them. We don't associate with them. We're gonna wait till somebody comes. Do you by chance know where the Balto food is? My friends have been telling me like there's like Balto pretzels and Balto.
There's like Oreo balls and
Balto
everyone's
stuff.
been raving about
Balto,
it.
like towards like the Balto fundraiser, or is it a brand?
I think it's a
Balto
brand.
fundraiser.
Yeah.
That's the fundraiser.
Yeah, I have no idea.
I love cereal, but it's not keto, so I don't eat it.
Do you happen to know where the Balto food is? Have you not heard about it? Everyone's like talking about it. And it's supposedly like keto and everything.
Well, some of it is keto.
Hey, can you make me a sandwich? Oh, we're all out of food.
I don't have any more food.
We literally just went to Target.
Let's go Lowe's.
You know what? Let's go a little bit longer.
Sir, is that a Balto dog?
No, it's a Belgian Malinois.
Oh, that's so
my
cool.
gosh, that's
See,
so awesome.
you didn't get him like at Balto?
At the silent auction?
No.
Didn't? That's really cool.
Do you know where the Balto wrench is?
I do not know.
I don't know, my dad just told me get the Balto wrench, it's the good one.
I think it's this one.
I know nothing about tools.
It's this one, because it's like Balto.
We have a philanthropy week at our school and I thought he said Balto.
No, there's only Cobalt.
Yeah, I think that's what it was. I just heard him wrong.
Is this one Balto cut?
We're building like a Balto deck.
Oh, I don't work here.
Well,
Oh.
yeah, we were just kind of curious if you just kind of like knew, but
I'm sorry.
No,
I
you're
know
totally good.
nothing. I'm like over here looking at the sheet for an old roof that I have on my garage.
Oh, yeah.
I have nothing.
She's definitely gonna go home and look, what is a Balto cut?
And you're watching Balto Wake Up Videos. Up next.
1, 2.
Did you get any of the faces?
Festival. 200. Hannah, what do you think we should do tonight? I think wake some kids up for Balto Week.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the Wake Up Videos. It is currently 1 o'clock.
It's finally time to wake up.
Hey guys, we're at Quinlan's house. It's 1:14 a.m. in the morning.
It's the only life you got, so you.
Hold on.
You got it. You got it. You got it.
No, you got it.
Wait, can you just like repeat it?
Hey, you're there. You're there. Some guys in a van.
Hold on, I was like having a dream and everything.
Did it?
Quinlan's house. Oh, she gone. We've been headed to the second house. Very excited. Yeah.
Oh.
How much do you love DASCO?
So much.
Is it really that sour?
I love them so much. I'd do anything for.
I did like a little, and it tasted.
Oh, how sweet.
Is your brother still asleep?
You want? Yeah!
Good morning!
Good morning! How are you feeling?
Are you ready for Balto?
How many days until Balto?
I don't know.
Okay. Good morning. How many days until Balto, Tate?
Wrong! Evan.
Take it down.
He immediately woke up and chose violence.
Okay, everyone, we just left Evan and Tate's house.
Appling boy.
Yes, ma'am. It is currently, what time is it?
1:44 a.m.
What are you doing?
Wake up! How many days until Balto?
I don't know.
It's okay. What's the theme?
I don't know.
It's okay.
Someone died.
Come on. Yeah. All for the kids, right? Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Whose door is that?
What happened?
Okay, it's not time to wake up.
Oh, that failed attempt. Go, 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 go. Go, go.
Ready? No, we're just screaming. We're just 1, 2.
Go. Drive.
Elle, hurry, get up. You're late for the 5K. Get up, hurry. It's like 8:30. You gotta go.
Why are you guys here? Liz!
How many days till Balto?
Wait.
We'd like to thank our sponsors for Balto 2021. Thank you to James R. Minnick, CPA, Deech Works, Janet Hunteman, Independent Plexus Ambassador, American Public Life, and Evanson Davis Law for sponsoring Balto this year. We couldn't have done it without your help. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed.
We hope this week is full of so much fun for everyone and that you're inspired to bring a light to others.
And there's still time to donate. Click the link in the description, baltoweek.org, to donate now. And you're watching Nick at Night.
Man, I really gotta go to sleep.